Historical perspectives on human rights. The journey of human rights did not begin with the Universal Declaration. It's a story rooted in centuries of struggle, courage, and resilience. From the abolition of slavery to the fight for civil rights, each chapter reveals humanity's relentless pursuit of dignity and justice. In the 16th to 19th centuries, the transatlantic slave trade saw millions of Africans forcibly uprooted from their homelands. This horrific practice would eventually ignite calls for change and inspire abolitionist movements around the world. Through the voices of leaders like Frederick Douglass and Harriet Tubman, abolitionists advocated for an end to slavery, not just in America, but across the globe. Their efforts planted the seeds for a fundamental principle, that no one should live in bondage. While the abolition of slavery was a critical milestone, other forms of discrimination persisted. In the early 20th century, women around the world united in the fight for suffrage, the right to vote. This movement broke down centuries-old barriers, highlighting that equality should not be limited by gender. The suffrage movement taught us that when marginalized voices unite, they can reshape society. This was a moment when people began to realize that human rights had to extend to everyone. In the 1960s, the civil rights movement in the United States shone a powerful light on the injustices faced by African Americans. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks challenged a system built on discrimination, pushing society closer to the ideal of equality. These battles for civil rights were not just American, they echoed around the world. Each fight for freedom and justice strengthened the foundation upon which modern human rights stand. But it was the devastation of World War II that catalyzed the creation of a global framework for human rights. The horrors of the Holocaust and wartime atrocities led to an international commitment. Never again would such crimes be ignored. In 1948, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In 1948, the United Nations adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, setting a global standard that asserted the inherent dignity and rights of every human being. This moment marked a new chapter in humanity's commitment to justice and equality. The declaration was a promise, a commitment to recognize and protect human rights universally. It was the culmination of centuries of struggle and a beacon for future generations. The journey to uphold human rights is far from over, but the progress made by past generations serves as a reminder of what can be achieved. Each struggle, each victory, has laid the groundwork for a world where human rights are not just ideals but realities for all.